In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your DocuSign signature while signing a document. Whether you're new to using DocuSign or simply need to update your signature, don't worry. It's a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. So, let's dive in. Firstly, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to DocuSign's website. This is your main landing page where you can log in and access your account. If you're not already logged in, make sure you do so with your email and password to access your dashboard. Once you're in, you'll find yourself at the DocuSign homepage. Next, navigate to the Agreements section. This is typically located in the main menu, and here you will find all the documents and agreements you've been working on, both those you've sent out and those pending your signature. Take a moment to browse through and find the document in which you wish to change your signature. Click on the document to open it. With your chosen document open, look for the Sign button. This button is crucial as it initiates the signing process. Click on this button and you'll be taken into the signing interface where you can place your signature on the document. Once inside the signing interface, locate the signature field. This is the placeholder where your signature will appear once it's applied. Now the next step is to click on the signature itself within this field. Doing so will prompt an option to modify your signature. You'll notice options for changing or updating your signature, which is precisely what you need to click on next. Select the option to change your signature and you'll be able to update it. In this stage, DocuSign will provide you with a few different options to create your new signature. You can choose to draw your signature using your mouse or stylus if you're using a touchscreen. Alternatively, you can choose from a selection of pre-formatted signature styles that DocuSign provides. If you prefer something more personal, you can also upload an image of your signature. Decide on which method suits you best, customize your signature to your liking, and confirm the changes. Once you've updated your signature, take a moment to ensure it appears correctly. Review the document to ensure everything is in place before you finish the signing process. If you're happy with how it looks, go ahead and complete the signing. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to change your DocuSign signature while signing a document. Remember, having an accurate and up-to-date signature is essential for maintaining professionalism in your communications. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. See you next time.